Alright, so we are out in the garden today. How y'all doing? I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, my garden. So I had a little accident. I was bringing these outside and I dropped them. I was going to transplant them in the soil anyway, but now I gotta do it sooner. So let me get some containers and we're gonna get these babies put in a bigger container. So y'all remember my set that I earned from my business? Well, this is it. And guess what? It's about to be put to use right now. So these were my lemon cucumbers, y'all. So we're gonna cut this. We're gonna break these gloves in and try not to leave them out in the sun. How about that? Can I get them? I cannot because I got one hand. Let me turn y'all around. All right, here we go. There we go. Bam. Put on the gloves. Make sure I cover my bracelet. I don't need nothing breaking. It is hot out here today. All right, so got my first pot. We're gonna grab our first plant right here. This soil is nice and moist. And we're just gonna put him in there just like that. All right, that's one. Now I gotta find some more containers. Okay, that's two in one plant, so we're gonna wait for that one. Gonna take this one. Okay, so that's two. Move that one over to the side. We have another pot right here. And I already got two in there too. We're gonna take this one since it's only got one in there. Okay, so that's three. Okay, so we're gonna take this one and pull it apart real gently. And we're gonna put it in this this pot right here. And these are all my lemon cucumbers. If I didn't say that earlier in the video. I'm gonna take this one and put it in there. And the roots are looking good. So, put that one right there. And this one is still in here. It's only one in there, so I'm going to take that one and pull it out. Put it in this planter container. All right. And then I need two more containers for my lemon cucumbers. Let's grab those. Okay, so I got my last two pots, and I'm just going to take these two and gently pull them apart. I don't when I plant 2 seeds in a pot, if 2 seeds come up, I'm planting 2 seeds. I don't go in and cut off the stronger stem and all that. I don't do that. If it's growing, I'm growing it. I feel like I can give that plant to somebody else or something like that. No plants left behind over here. Okay, so let's see. We have 1, 2. Oh no, this one is broken. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. No, wait. So we have 8. It might be 7 because I just broke that one. So we have 7. Well, let's pull that one out. Sorry. Rest in pieces, my friend. So we have 7 lemon cucumber plants. All right, so we're gonna get rid of some of this stuff up here, cut back the stems on this mint today. As a matter of fact, we're gonna do that right now. Let me get my tripod. But before we do that, so this is the regular cucumber and the purple hull peas right here. All I'm gonna do is move this out the way and put maybe I'll put my purple hull peas that way so they can catch the wall. So they're gonna catch the wall, and we're gonna get rid of that. We are going to, let's move this over here. Get that out the way. We're gonna clean this pot out also. Put this stuff in the drawer where it belongs. Just doing a little maintenance in the garden. That is the remnants of the cauliflower that I harvested. You guys probably saw that in a previous video. So let's come back over here and we're gonna move this stuff out the way. And we're gonna put these against the wall because they are babies and they need to be protected from the sun. And I'm gonna get some stakes and stake them up, but first we are going to water them in. So we're giving them a nice cool drink. Let that soil settle in around them. And then I'm gonna find some stakes to stake them up so they can grow up strong. Okay, so that's all of the lemon cucumbers right there. And while I was inside, I saw that the honeydew melon was starting to come up. So I grabbed me some more soil and we're gonna pot these up while we're right here. So I'm gonna take my first one, and these are drier than the lemon cucumbers. So let me see if I can get him all out. And he came out easier. And this is the honeydew melon. Let's get a stake for this one. There. I don't know why I want to go that way. All right, so that's one right there. We have another container right here. We're gonna take this big one out. Find a stake for that one also. You can barely see that one, but there it is. So before I move anything else, before I go any further, I'm going to go get some labels for these containers. I probably need to invest in some tape and just tape it. But let me go find the containers. Okay, so I got the two honeydew labeled and the lemon cucumbers labeled. I'm gonna leave these in the container, let them mature a little bit more. This one is coming up, and wait and see if these two are gonna come up. Actually, I'm gonna put them right there. Maybe I should probably put them towards the back here, so they can get a little bit more coverage. All right, so, and then we're going to repot these cucumbers over here, and these purple hull peas. Fill these up with some soil. All right, so I have these three right here. I'm going to gently take them out of here. Let's see if I can pull it up. This is not the way to do this, so don't be like me. Okay, so they have all been labeled. And we're gonna get these watered in. We're gonna give them a light water. We don't want to disturb anything or knock anything out of place. We just want them to get the good water in. Let that soil settle around them. So they can give us some cucumbers. All right, y'all. This is the end of the video. We have our lemon cucumber, our honeydew melon, and our regular cucumbers in the pots. And we are outside, so they can get acclimated to the outside sun. This area is sitting against the house, so it's not going to get direct sunlight, so I don't have to worry about them being burned. And I'll let them sit out here for maybe like a week before I plant them in the soil. So I'm Salon Diva V. Share me with your family and your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. What you waiting for? It's free 99. Join me on all my social media pages, and I will see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.